Hello, friends. Welcome back to Marcus English Story Channel. Today, I will tell you the story of McDonald's in a clear and simple way so you can learn English and enjoy a good story. Long ago, two brothers named Richard and Maurice McDonald started a small food stand in 1940 in San Bernardino, California. At first, they sold many kinds of food from a car hop stand. They wanted to serve good food fast. After some time, they changed their idea and made a new kind of restaurant. They made a small place with a simple menu of burgers, fries, and drinks. They chose to make the kitchen work like a fast, clean machine. The brothers liked to keep the menu small so they could cook fast and keep the price low. They used clear rules for how to cook and how to serve. They put the ovens and grills in special places. They made the fries and burgers in set ways. They tested the best time to cook and the best size for the patty. They even used a special system to bring food to the window fast. This way, they could serve many customers quickly. They called their new system the Speedy Service System. People liked their food and the fast service. The restaurant looked different too. The brothers used two big golden arches in their design. The golden arches became a strong sign for the place. In 1948, they changed the name to McDonald's Barbecue and then to McDonald's as we know it now. In 1954, a man named Ray Kroc visited the McDonald Brothers restaurant. Ray was a milkshake machine salesman. He saw many of his machines at the restaurant. He was very impressed by the fast system and the clean kitchen. Ray believed this idea could grow all over the country. He asked the brothers for the right to help make more McDonald's restaurants. Ray signed a deal and began selling the McDonald's idea as a franchise. A franchise is a way to open a new restaurant with the same look, the same menu, and the same rules as the home store. Ray wanted every McDonald's to be the same, so a hamburger would taste the same in any city. He worked very hard to help franchise owners start their stores. In 1955, Ray Kroc opened the first McDonald's franchise in Des Plaines, Illinois. He then started the McDonald's Corporation to run the business and help new owners. Ray traveled a lot. He trained new owners and taught them the rules. He showed them how to make food fast and how to keep the store clean. He wanted customers to know what to expect at McDonald's. The brand grew fast. Ray used simple ideas to make the brand strong. He used a mascot named Ronald McDonald to make the brand friendly for children. He used the golden arches as a sign that people could see from far away. He used clear colors and a simple menu that people would remember. He made a special place for drinks and desserts. He also made the drive-thru so people in cars could order without leaving their vehicle. The drive-thru was a great idea for busy people. McDonald's gave jobs to many people. The company used the same training for all workers so new staff could learn quickly. This helped McDonald's open many stores in a short time. Over the years, McDonald's kept adding new items to the menu. They tried new burgers, new sauces, and new side dishes. In 1967, McDonald's opened its first store outside the United States. The brand entered other countries and brought the fast food idea to many people around the world. When McDonald's went global, it had to change some things. The company kept the main ideas of speed and low cost, yet it also learned to change for local tastes. In some countries, the people did not want beef, so McDonald's served chicken burgers or fish.
In other places, it added local spices or new side dishes to match local food habits. This way, McDonald's could feel familiar and also new at the same time. The company learned to listen to local customers. McDonald's also used strong business ideas. The company did not only sell burgers, it also sold the right to open a McDonald's store to many owners. These owners, called franchisees, paid money to use the McDonald's name and system. McDonald's taught them the rules and helped them find good places to open. This model helped the brand grow fast with less money from the main company. The main company could focus on the brand, the menu, and the big ideas. The franchisees could focus on the local store and local customers. This teamwork helped McDonald's open thousands of stores. Another big idea was standardization. McDonald's trained all workers the same. The company used fixed recipes, fixed cooking times, and fixed portions. This made the taste the same in every store. It also helped the company buy large amounts of food at low prices. McDonald's worked with many food suppliers and taught them how to make food to meet the same quality. This strong supply chain helped keep prices low and food available in many places. At the same time, McDonald's used advertising to reach many people. The company used TV, newspapers, billboards, and later the internet and social media. They made ads that the family could like. They used fun songs and bright pictures. Ads told people about new menu items and special deals. The company also worked with celebrities and events. McDonald's became a name that many families knew. Over time, McDonald's faced hard times too. As the brand grew, people also began to ask questions. Some people said fast food was not healthy. They worried about the use of fat, sugar, and salt. Some groups said that fast food helped make people eat more and move less. These criticisms made McDonald's change some ideas. The company began to add more menu choices like salads, fruit, and bottled water. McDonald's also started to show nutrition information so customers could choose better. In many places, McDonald's began to make food with lower fat or lower sugar. The company worked to improve the way it cooked and to use better ingredients. Many customers still loved the classic burgers and fries, but others wanted healthier options. McDonald's tried to serve both types of customers.
McDonald's also had to face legal and social challenges. As the company opened many stores, it had to follow many laws in different countries. Sometimes the company had problems with workers who wanted better pay or better working conditions. In other cases, local communities worried about new restaurants near schools or small shops. McDonald's learned to work with local leaders and to adjust its ways when needed. The company also started to join community work. One example is the Ronald McDonald House charity, which helps families when their children need medical care far from home. This charity grew as McDonald's stores grew. Many franchisees and customers gave money or time to help local causes. In the 1990s and 2000s, McDonald's moved into new areas of business. The company added cafes and coffee drinks. It added breakfast items and special menus for kids. The packaging became nicer and more modern. McDonald's also used new technology in kitchens to help cook more quickly and with less waste. They used better machines for frying and for keeping food at the right temperature. The company also used better ways to train staff with videos and manuals. When the world changed with the internet, McDonald's changed too. The company put menus and stores online. Customers could find a nearby store with a simple map. Many stores began to offer mobile ordering and home delivery with apps and food delivery services. These changes made it easier for busy people to get their meals. McDonald's also used data to learn what customers liked. The company studied sales to find the best menu items for each place. In some places, McDonald's ran special short-time offers to bring people back to the stores. McDonald's also worked to be a better neighbor to the earth. The company began to think about packaging, food waste, and the way it sources ingredients. McDonald's tried to use less plastic and more recyclable materials in some countries. It also worked with farms and suppliers to support better farming methods. These steps grew slowly and in many places. McDonald's still had more work to do, but many customers watched these changes with interest. Through all the years, McDonald's kept a simple promise: to serve customers fast, to be consistent, and to be friendly. The company learned to change without losing the old simple idea. It kept the busy kitchen rules, the simple menu core, and the focus on low price and speed. At the same time, it added new items, new technologies, and new services to meet the times. The brand reached many countries and many people of different ages. Some people grew up with McDonald's as a part of their life. Some families made memories there. Many students, workers, and travelers use McDonald's as a quick and easy food place. McDonald's also showed how a small idea can grow big when people work hard and use smart systems. The story of McDonald's is not only about burgers, it is also about the power of a simple idea, good rules, teamwork, and the will to change when the world asks for change. The company made many mistakes and learned from them. It faced critics and fans. It opened stores in small towns and big cities. It built a brand that many people recognize from the Golden Arches. Today, McDonald's is still part of daily life for many people. It still tries to balance taste, speed, price, and care for the community and the planet. The brand still works with local teams to make food that people want in each country. This story shows a long road from a small stand to a large global company. It shows how rules, training, and systems can help a business grow. It shows how listening to customers and changing a little can help a brand stay alive for many years. It is a story of business and of people. If you walk by a McDonald's today, you can see the same golden arches that the brothers used and the fast service that Ray Kroc loved. You can also see changes like new menu choices, new ways to order, and new work to care for the earth and the community. The history of McDonald's is full of simple lessons. It is a history of work, change, and care for customers. It is a history that can teach us about business and life in a clear and friendly way.